Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Coming to the next topic in the subject cloud computing. Today in this video, we are going to cover some other basic concepts of cloud computing. In the previous video, we have discussed the definition and key features of cloud. Other than those, there are certain services and models working behind the making of cloud computing feasible and accessible. Making it feasible and accessible. Here feasible means capable of being used, and accessible means easy to get, use or understand. Everything that is feasible means that is capable of being used by any other user, and accessibility of anything means easy to get and use, and we can easily understand that thing. Okay, so cloud computing have many feasibility and accessibility features for their end users. End users means the term end users refer to the customer of good or service. Okay, or we can also say that an end user is a person that a software program or hardware device is designed for. For a particular person, if we design some software or service, that person is known as end users. For example, we are the users of Facebook. We are not the developers, we are the Facebook users, so we are called end users. Okay, and some of the working models of cloud computing are: first one is deployment model, and second one is service model. As we all know, deployment means to define or to deploy something. Here deployment model defines the type. It defines the type of access to the cloud. Or we can also say that it also tells us that how the cloud is located. Okay, all these works are done with the help of deployment model. The next model is service model. Service model tells us about the type of services provided by cloud. Okay, the services provided by cloud may be hardware or software services. We can also get any type of platform infrastructure with the help of cloud computing. Okay, so we can also say that cloud computing is based on service model. It is completely based on service model, and all these service models are characterized into three basic service models. Okay, these three service models are: first one is IaaS, that means infrastructure as a service. Okay, infrastructure as a service. Next one is PaaS, that means platform as a service. And the last one is SaaS, this means software as a service. Okay, so in case of IaaS, it provides us fundamental resources. It provides us some fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual machines, and virtual storage. Here virtual means we are not talking about the real things, we are talking about virtual things. Okay, and platform as a service This is platform as a service. It provides us runtime environment for applications development and deployment. For example, Facebook. Okay, if I want to develop some application like Facebook, I can develop and deploy such type of applications with the help of platform as a service tool provided by cloud computing. The last option is software as a service. This model allows us to use any kind and any size of software application, as a service to end user. Okay, we can get any type of software according to our system's configuration and we can use it. All these services are based only on pay per use rule. You have to remember this, that cloud services are provided only on the basis of pay per use. Okay, so this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching.